Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a Ring Doorbell 2. Yeah, Ring Doorbell 2. We're going to be unboxing and see how this all works and all the gizmos. Alright, first thing we need to do is get it out of the packaging. Now, it should just slide out, just like that. Hold that again for me, son. Alright, so we get that out of the box, and let's see what we got in here now. Our box, flip the lid up. Alright, say hello Ring, that's the first thing we have, yeah? Or the first thing we drew for. Inside here we have a couple of booklets. Ring Video Doorbell 2, alright? Now I've had a look at these and they're just basically different languages. Here you've got a sticker which you put on your put on your window or wherever. Right? In here, as I said before, it's just different languages. Yeah. So we're gonna put those aside for a minute. And here is the actual gizmo. That's your doorbell, where you press doorbell, isn't it? Alright? Now I've put this, lock this on there. I don't even know why I've done that, but there we go. To open this, I should imagine you just pop the bottom off. Just a press bit thing. There you go. That separates there. In the side here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that secures it to the wall. Alright, so if I put that there for a minute and I take this part out, we have another casing, another cover. So you've got 2 options depending on your decor. Alright, now the way this fits to here is it slides underneath there, just under there. You see it's got like a little clip that slides under, and then you press the bottom down. I'm not going to do it again because I did it with the first one. So we decided to what we have. Alright, so I put that to one side. In here is our battery. Now, judging by that little screw at the bottom, it screws into the bottom of the battery just like that. Alright, it's got a little push clip here to release your battery. It's held on by that little notch there. So when you're taking it out, you press down, pull your battery out, get your battery, and it just slides in, just like that. To get it out, see, that's it. Press down, pull out. That's your battery out. Alright, now I'm going to come back to your battery in a minute, so I'll just rest that there for a minute. Alright, over here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little wall plugs, and in there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little screws that holds it in. So on here I said we had 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. 5, here's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So these are like that. Put those to one side as well. And we have the mounts. Now these are the bits that you attach to the wall or your door frame to fit your belt. So that would give you the angle that you need your doorbell at. So if you that's on a flat wall, tilting that way, so your camera will be pointing at that angle. Alright, the next one you have is pointing at the other angle. Alright, so that's how those go, but you can see the holes. Alright, so that lines up with the holes in the casing. The holes through there and through there, same on the other side, is what holds it to your door frame or your wall. So that would fit on just like that. Alright, so put that to one side also. And here we have a little instruction thing again. That's just telling you exactly what I told you, how to fit it to the wall. Alright, put that to one side also. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there wasn't 5. I suppose 50 And if you drop it down the drain, don't drop it down the drain. Okay. And this here, which I didn't see before, that looks simply like it goes on here as an outer case, or I'll have to check the instruction to give you exact. There it is. It's the plate that goes on the cover. Okay, so we'll leave that for a minute. This little lead here is what I was saying. I was going back to the battery. So you would plug that in to your battery there, just like that. And this will go into your USB, into your mains or your device. On your battery, it gives you instructions on the charging of the battery. When it goes to green, it's fully charged. Red and green is charging. Right, so that's the battery taken care of. We're going to put that on charge while we set everything up. Right, next we have a little tool kit. Yeah, and inside here we also have another little package, also containing 5 screws. So don't lose your screws. So put that to one side, all those to one side, and we open our little tool kit. Alright, a little hole there, I don't know what the heck that is for. So we open our tool kit, and we have inside here we have a screwdriver, head, and a bit. There is a little spirit level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and your charger. So if you check all those off, we've got those. We haven't seen our spirit level yet, so let's go. If you go through it and you find you've got something missing here, you may not want to proceed with fitting it. Alright, this is our bag of bit tricks. Inside here, you have your screwdriver bit, you have screws and wall plug. These here you have 1, 2, 3. Again, you come in like you have a spare, because on here you've only got 2 holes, 1, 2. So they've provided you with spares by the look of it. This bag here we have a little resistor. It will tell you how to use it in your instruction. Right? This is a masonry drill bit. Right? If you look at the head of it, I've done another video on drill bits, so you can check it out. It will explain it all. This goes into concrete, brickwork, masonry, that sort of thing. Then you have others for wood and metal. But this is for masonry. Right? So the rest, that one there. Screws for fitting. Inside here we have our screwdriver bit that will go into there like that and lock in. So you've got a Phillips there, which is a star, and on the other end you've got a Torquay, which is spline. Right? Here you have a little spirit level. Right? Now your spirit level goes into here and just press in like that. Now the bubble in the spirit level should be in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Come here a bit closer. Can you see it? The spirit level. See the bubble? You want your bubble in the middle, back there, when you fit your doorbell. If it's like that, your doorbell is pissed. Alright, so that's what that's for. Once you've fitted your doorbell, you would then take that out, because you can't fit your cover on, can you? Yeah? And as you can see, you're set up on what, that's all coming later. Alright? These connectors, alright, you have 2 of them. That if your wiring that goes to your doorbell is too short, and you can connect these 2 to it, one there and one on the opposite side. And then your wire from your doorbell, you would connect to this, peel that bit off, and you connect, peel it off like that. Connect the 2 wires together, the one that is on your old doorbell, and then you put this on to cap both of them. You just twist that on and it will lock on there. Alright, you have 2 of them for 2 wires. Again, this is an optional fitting. It's not necessarily has to be used. It depends on how the doorbell that you're taking off works. Alright, so you got your scan code thingamajig, what you call it there, for helping your setup. So we're going to check all of that out in our manual first. So far, this is what we have to work with. So if we get all this lot out of the way, there you go, 2 more screws. Now this screw is what goes at the bottom. With this thing, it looks like it gives you a spare screw for everything because there's only 1 screw hole. Alright? If you're in any doubt which screw goes where, all you got to do is take that off, open it up, get your screw out, and try it by hand first. You can screw it right in by hand. That's the correct screw. If you can't, it's the wrong screw. Don't force it. Don't put no pressure on it. Just get the right screw. So we're going to put those back in the bag for now, so they don't go missing. 1 and 2. Alright. Seal that up. We're going to put this on charge. Just untwist that. And I should imagine this could be used to charge your phone or whatever other device you have. Might even charge it faster. Alright, so we're going to plug that in our thing and get that charging. And we'll get back to that. Now, we're going to get on with the fitting, so we'll see you back in a minute when we're doing our fitting. Yeah? Okay, see you in a minute. Right, now I've sorted out all my bits, and these are the bits I need. I'm just showing you just how much I need out of everything that I've shown you. Right, now I've got these self-tappers. Now, self-tappers are the screws that you have with points on them, see? They go through wood. Therefore, with wall plugs, similar but not exactly the same. These one offer threaded screws, nuts, bolts sort of thing, yeah? So they would be going into something like here. See that? So what we've got 4 of these self-tappers. 1, 2, you get the option of long ones or short ones. That's why you have so many screws. Right, so those fools will go into where you have the countersunk hole in the backing plate. Now that backing plate is just for that to go on. So we're going to screw that to the wooden frame, because we've got a wooden frame. The bits I showed you earlier on, these, that tilts, you see the angle? And on the other one, again, this one tilts up or down. So we have that angle, and on the one before we have, stop messing around and show you them both. We have that angle, we have that angle. So that one is like that, and that one is like that. So we got both angles, right? And we got the flat, so we're just going to use a flat one. So it's a flat, 4 self-tapper screws. These screws here, with the captive nuts in there, they will only fit on one way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it'll go on like that. So make sure when you're putting it on, you've got it the right way up, because it doesn't work that way around, because the holes doesn't line up. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can stick this on the wall. Right, see in a second.